Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Welcome to this channel. In this series, I will show you how you can capture the image of your entire PC onto many other computers. Before we do that, we need to install 1. A tool called Windows ADK. 2. We need to create Windows pre-execution environment on USB drive, also known as WinPE. Now, in a brief, let's look at what Windows ADK is, and also look at what WinPE means. Microsoft Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit is a set of tools one can use to prepare, assess, deploy and launch Windows operating system images to target computers. This tool was formerly known as Windows Automated Installation Kit, also called Windows AIK. Windows PE is a small operating system used to install, deploy, and repair Windows desktop editions, Windows Server, and other Windows operating systems. With Windows PE, you can install Windows by using scripts from a network or a local drive. Set up your hard drive before installing Windows. Capture and apply Windows images. Modify the Windows operating system. Recover data from unbootable devices. Set up automatic recovery tools. Now let's get started. Open your internet browser. Follow this address to download Windows ADK. Scroll down and select the version appropriate for the Windows version you are about to capture. For Windows 10 version 2004, you can download this one.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Download also the Windows PE add-in for the ADK version.
Go slow, you still go. Even when there's no hope, you still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Now, browse to the location of the downloaded files.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Click on the ADK setup to install.
I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Follow through this prompt as we perform the installation. Here, you can decide to let Windows send anonymous data about this kit. In this case, I will choose No. These are the features that will be installed. Let's leave it as it is now.
Or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
We are done with the ADK. Now, let's install the Windows PE add-in for the ADK. Follow through as we did for the first one.
Hope you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
This will take some time depending on your internet speed, so I will pause the video and continue when finished. Welcome back. We are done installed with the Windows ADK and its add-ons. Now, let's see how we can create the Windows pre-execution environment. Open the Start menu and search for Deployment and Imaging Tools environment. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command to copy the working WinPE files onto the desktop.
No hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
Press enter and wait as the WinPE files are copied.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Here are the WinPE files we just copied. Now, we need to convert these files into a media file, such as an ISO file. To do this, type the following command.
I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
This means that we are creating a WinPE ISO file and save it on the desktop. Press enter. Now, wait as the WinPE media is created.
Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain.
We done creating the WinPE ISO file. Here is it on the desktop. Now, we need to install these files onto our USB drive. Insert a USB drive into the PC.
I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Here is my USB drive.
Go, 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 go.
Before then, we need to make the USB drive bootable, so let's see how to do that. Type disk part and press enter.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no
Now, type list disk and press enter to list all the available disks in the PC. Type select disk 1 and press enter to select the USB drive.
hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.
Please be sure to select the right number, otherwise you may format a wrong drive. In this case, my USB drive is the number 1.
Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and
Type clean and press enter to wipe the USB drive.
mine's got the key ingredient.
Type convert to MBR and press enter.
But I just slide right
This converts the USB drive into master boot record format.
even when you feel slow, you can still
Now, type create partition primary and press enter to create a volume on the drive.
go, 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 go.
Now, let's format the USB drive with FAT32 file system.
Go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain.
Let now assign a drive letter to the volume we just formatted.
Start the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
We are done preparing the USB drive. Open the File Explorer to see it.
Go, go, when you feel slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope, you can still
Now, type exit and press enter to close the disk part command. Let's now install the WinPE media file onto the USB drive we just prepared. To do this, type the following command.
You can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing
This means that we are making a WinPE media that is bootable on USB drive from this location onto the drive R. Now, press enter and press Y on your keyboard to accept.
Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
We are done creating the WinPE bootable USB drive. Here are the files.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make it.
In the next video, I will show you how you can use this WinPE media to capture the image of your PC onto other PCs.
Repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting tutorials.
And finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before.